Hey guys, John here. So we're going to work on this next build, and I picked this up. This is an Ollie's kit. We have an Ollie's here in our town, and I've been in there several times looking for kits. They've not ever really had any kits in there. We've had it for maybe a year now, and was in there here a few weeks ago, and lo and behold, they had some model kits. So I grabbed a few. I spotted this one. I really liked it. It's a monogram kit. This is the 57 Corvette Convertable. Now I built a 55, I think it was, back in 98 or 99. And I'll try to get a hold of that one and kind of put it up there with this. Kind of compare the two, but this is actually a 2023 release kit. And let me get my cheaters on here. This is Revell. It says monogram, but it's Revell. Very nice box art. I like it. It kind of just shows you one way the kit can be built, but there's actually a couple different ways. So we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. As you can see, our price was $12 for this, which was huge. I should have bought a bunch more, but I didn't. But let's take a look and see what's inside the box right now. So we have the body, and like I said, I'd already opened up the box, and I'll show you some issue that I found right away. But the body is typical Revell, very clean. Love the lines. This is what I call a bubble butt Corvette. I think this is going to be a really fun kit to build. I don't think it'll take very long. They've got these tall, thin tires, rubber tires. I will probably use those. Sorry about that. So first off, you have this tree, which it basically has your hood, your roof, convertible roof, your front suspension, your axle, some motor parts, door panels, dash. Now when I open this kit up and open up the bag, let me get my thing here. Right here, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this was broken. So I had to try to glue that together. There's the only damage that I found, but it was broken right there. So I went ahead and hit it with some glue. But I'll probably build this straight stock out of the box, not do any modifications to it at all. But good clean sprue trees and parts. I think it'll look really nice. What else do we have? You have your chassis. You got a hood scoop if you want to go a little bit more modified if you want to. More axle parts, I guess. This looks like it's a beefier axle. It is, most definitely. So if you want to go more of a drag or a sports car, may do that too, don't know. I do like this. This is your rear pan and your front pan. So they're two separate pans, and I like that. More engine. You got two different types of transmissions that you can use on it. Your lower part for the back on the body, your upper part or your front part on the front. Good thick clear windows. I like that. Now these are the white walls. If you're going to go traditional, they would just go inside of there. I don't know what I'm going to do on that, but now the chrome tree is very nice. You have these spoke rims, which I think that's the route I'm going to go. And you have the traditional hubs. This comes with a, you can see it there, it's a push bar for the front of your Corvette, And you got some chrome parts if you want to modify the engine. So now instructions, large print, which I definitely like, especially since I got to have cheaters. But large print, easy to read. Not very many steps to this, and was very surprised that there's no decals. No decals in this kit at all. Probably one of the very first kits that I've ever had, and I know they're out there, don't get me wrong, I know they're out there, but one of the first kits that I've ever had that has no decals. But anyway, so this is going to be the kit that I'm going to go with, and I'm going to build. And I think what we're going to go with is the main body color is going to be coral blue, and then obviously our little inlet right here is going to be a matte white. So I think that'll look pretty good. And I'm not 100% sure I'm set on this, but I think I might go that route. I'm going to take another look. But anyway, so that's where we're at. We're going to do the Revell Corvette. I think it's going to be a pretty fun kit to build. And for those of you who, let's see if I are interested in that, this kit number is 10852. And again, I got this at Ollie's. So we're going to jump on this kit and we're going to start working. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, alright, so working on this 1957 Chevrolet Corvette, and I've got the chassis somewhat done. It went together pretty easily. I still got to put the exhaust manifolds, I'm sorry, the exhaust on. I've got it right here, not the manifolds. I've got those over there, but hold on just a second. So, excuse me for reaching. I got the engine done up. The manifolds are now glued on. So we're going to go from there. This pan is this sub pan is a two-piece sub pan. So I got to figure out how all this is going to go together. I think it goes something like this. But it's got spots here for holes, and I see these on here, so I'm sure that goes like, sure that goes like that, and then this will fit on there like so, and I'll square it up a little bit. I've got the body done, or not done, I've got part of it painted. I still got to go in and do some wet sanding. I got to clean up this a little bit. I'm going to put my chrome around here, chrome my door handles. All these hinges up here I'm going to chrome. I decided to go with a maroon paint instead of, and I got to do a little sanding there, but I wanted to go with the maroon paint, maroon and white. Had a little bit of maroon left over, so I thought, you know what, I'll just go with some maroon. These are the wheels that I'm going with. This side right here, you could put the white walls right inside there, or you do it like this, and you got your chrome rims. And I think they'll really pop up under, up under the maroon. I thought it would look a little bit better. And the more I did my research, the more I've seen a lot of this color right here, the coral blue. And I thought, nah, or color close to it. I thought, nope, don't want to go that route. So anyway, that's where we're at. I'll be back with you in a minute. Hey guys, so John here. Alright, so these are the rims that I want to go with. And when you put them in the tire, you got to put them in this way. If you put them this way, you got the white wall that goes there. And I just don't really think that the chrome would look good with the white walls. It doesn't really matter anyway. You put it in like this. These are the wheel backings that come with this kit. And they have to go on like this. But as you can see, they really... I mean, I've got that one glued on right now. But it just, I mean, it sucks. It sucks bad. Now, if you take a look at what comes with these are the stock rims, and these rims come with this kit. They were right here on this sprue tree. These are the stock rims, as you guys recognize, but these things actually fit on the stock rims real good, as you can see right there. Okay, but I don't want to use the stock rims. I'm going to use these rims here. And short of super gluing it on, I just don't know. I mean, it's not real impressed. I like the rim, but I don't know, man. I know I can make it work. The other thought would be is not put a backing on it and just glue it on there, which might be what you're supposed to do, but it's such a big oval spot, and that might make sense. But man, it's gonna be, I guess if you set it like that, set it in there, and then maybe put your other rim, set it in there, and then glue it in. That might work. I might be able to go that route and not use the backing at all. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It would be a lot better if it wasn't a beveled hole. As you can see there, it's kind of beveled, sloped in, but I guess you can do it like that. Set that wheel there, this wheel here, and then just try to hold it straight up as you can, making sure you're not slanted anyway. I don't know, this one's kind of weird. I don't know why they want to give it to you if they don't give you the stuff to help you work with it. And here's the deal, guys. These are the instructions. There are no other instructions for any other wheels. So just kind of weird. Just want to kind of show you guys some of the problems you might run into. I think what I am going to do is I'm just going to maybe glue those in there and try to get it set as perfectly 90 degree, or you know, straight up and down as I can. And let it dry, and then flip it over, put these other wheels on there and let it dry. I'll make sure that I get the chrome out of there and the chrome out of there, so they'll adhere a lot better. But just one of the problems we run into. Alright guys, we'll be back with you in a minute. Hey guys, John here, Motor T Scale Models. So I finally finished up my 1957 Revell Corvette. This kit was a very fun kit to put together. Didn't really have a whole lot of issues putting it together. There were just a couple we talked about as far as the wheels. Other than that, I mean, for what it is, it was a retooled kit, so it didn't turn out too bad. I kind of enjoyed building it. Kind of show you the interior there. Oops, there we go. So wasn't a whole lot to that. And let's see if I can, there we go. Alrighty. So I got the engine done, and I think it turned out pretty nice. I don't think it turned out too bad at all. Anyway, it was a fun kit to build. I love this little Corvette. I think it turned out really, really nice. I would recommend, if any of you guys want to pick this up, if you got an Ollie's around, just where I got it from was Ollie's, go by and pick it up. It's a great little kit. I didn't go with the top on it because the top had actually been broken when I tried to glue it back together. It just never had I never could get another fitment on it. So I said to heck with it. I just went ahead with what we have there. So anyway, all right guys, real short on this. I appreciate you guys coming and checking out my channel. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, hit that like button, hit the share button, hit the notification if you haven't already done so. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. Appreciate you checking me out. If you are a subscriber, hey guys, I always appreciate all the information you guys give me. I go back and I read them. I may not respond to them as quick as I should. You know, life happens, but I try to get back to you as quick as I can. But anyway, all right guys, tell me what you think. We'll talk to you later.